Imagine this. Galaxies spinning at such incredible speeds that the gravity generated by their visible matter simply couldn't keep them together. Yet they remain intact. How? Scientists believe an unseen force is at work, providing these galaxies with additional mass and, consequently, the extra gravity they need to hold their shape. Enter the mystery of dark matter. Unlike its regular counterpart, dark matter doesn't interact with the electromagnetic force. It neither absorbs nor emits light, making its detection a formidable challenge. We can only infer its existence from the gravitational influences it appears to exert on observable matter. In a startling revelation, dark matter seems to outweigh visible matter by nearly 6-to-1, comprising about 27% of the universe. Our familiar matter, the stuff making up stars and galaxies, accounts for a mere 5% of the universe's content. So what exactly is this elusive dark matter? One theory suggests it may contain supersymmetric particles, theoretical partners to particles we already know from the Standard Model. Experiments at the Large Hadron Collider might just offer more clues about this enigmatic dark matter. Stay curious, stay open to the mysteries of our universe.